Finally, is it safe to invest into the Nasdaq 100 and Tesla? Let's start with the weekly chart for Nasdaq and later we will look at Tesla also. So as you can see, price was in this channel for the Nasdaq 100. Actually, if I zoom out and look at this actually is a bull flag pattern that is forming on the Nasdaq 100 using the weekly chart. Now some things are very obvious in this chart. For example, if I look over here and I draw a line, 12,000 level looks very important, and of course this level over here roughly 11,500. You can see even in the history we saw a lot of capitulation that happened here and then price pumped from here. Similar thing happened just recently and we saw a big pump in the market, and today we are testing the top part of this range. So for me personally, this range of 12,000 to 11,500 is actually very important buy area. Also the 100 moving average shown in purple is available here, and as you can see it acted as a very good support, especially when the RSI has gone below 30. We have seen this time and time again. Look at this test over here and the RSI also similar over here in 2018. That is why for me 12,000 and 11,500 look very interesting. So there is a chance of a pump directly from here, or maybe it will test 11,500 and then try to pump back towards the green 50 moving average at 13,000 currently. Now let's head over to the daily chart and see what it is telling us. Once again I can see similar story that the 30 RSI is what the price likes to see. Even over here, this one also. So this is something I will be keeping my eye on. Currently RSI is sitting at 33.75. So we are almost in that region, and of course price is also testing the critical range of 12,000 to 11,500. If price goes to 11,500, this would mean that we would be making a higher low, whereas the RSI that time would give us a lower low. This would be a bullish divergence and we can see a pump in price from here again back towards the green moving average, which on the daily is roughly 12,850. Heading over to the 4-hour chart, again we can see whenever price breaches, again we can see whenever RSI goes below 30 at critical areas, we see pumps, and currently RSI is actually below this region and we are entering this buy range. So there is a chance of a pump in the short run towards 12,600. Now as you can see, many factors are telling us that the buy opportunity has started to present itself. So my action would be first purchase 12,000, next order 11,500. So my average price would be 11,750. Now let's see if Tesla is safe to invest. On the weekly chart, we can see that price was following this channel and we recently got rejected from here. Price is trying to move towards the 50 moving average at around 245. I can see that $250 actually looks a very interesting area. We can see test of this area over here and then pump. Before it was resistance and then we saw a pump from here, rejection over here, again rejection over here. So this is a level that I will keep my eye on, given that 50 moving average is here also. So yeah, 250 to 245 would be my first buying area. Let's head over to the daily chart. We are facing some resistance around the 50 and the 100 moving average, but the 200 moving average on the daily chart is available at 256. So once again this range 250 260 dollars is looking very good for Tesla. Again we would like to keep an eye on the RSI. Whenever it goes below 30-35 at key support areas, we see good bounce in price. So I would wait for the RSI to come down a bit more and then try to enter the market, but the key area for me would be starting from $260. Finally, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. In the short term, we can see 265 acting as support. Price tested this area recently and showed little bit recovery, but all the moving averages have collected here, which generally represent a strong resistance. On the positive side, RSI is 36, and as we can see, whenever RSI goes below 30 on key support areas, we tend to see a pump in price. Given all of this information, it looks like $265 to $250 is a very interesting range for Tesla. I would place my first buy order at $265, the next one somewhere around here $250. Let me know in the comments if you agree with this analysis or not. Also, as you can see the huge volatility that the market has, if you're actively trading, please don't forget proper risk management, take profit, stop loss, and good luck trading. Thank you.